Welcome. Okay, now we're going to be doing a little something different than the other podcasts you may have heard so far. And this is a guided meditation. We're going to cleanse our chakras today in a very intentional way using visualization. I love doing this kind of meditation prior to me stepping into deeper meditations, especially ones that I'm intentionally traveling, like either projecting my body into the astral realm, or if I'm working on manifestation. So, this is something that we cover a little bit more in detail in our upcoming program, Alchemy for the Soul, which you can check out details for on our website. But in the interim, I love to have this as just an intro type of meditation that you can use any day at any time. And you can just have this as the meditation. It doesn't have to be that you move into another piece of work after you've done the chakra cleansing. But before we can manifest new realities or really step into the full potential of our spiritual power, we must first clear the channel for us to be able to communicate with the invisible realms, or our higher self. So the chakra cleansing and grounding meditation is really a foundational practice in building your inner sanctuary, which is a sacred place that you can cultivate within your body, where you can seek clarity, healing, and direct communion with your higher self. When your energy centers or your chakras are congested or imbalanced, your emotional patterns, physical health, and even your spiritual insight becomes clouded. So we want to cleanse the chakras through conscious attention. And we're going to do this today through somatic light work. Why you'll see why I say light work in a moment. But your entire being becomes a tuned instrument. It's ready to receive, express, and co-create. So the meditation isn't simply about alignment. It's about energetic renewal, where you're activating the channels front and back in a horizontal plane of each chakra, including the vertical plane that you have from your crown chakra and your root chakra. Once you do this, you're going to feel grounded, more open, anchored in your body, yet connected to divine intelligence. And people may wonder, what does that feel like? Sometimes that's just a little tingliness in your body. You can even feel like your chi or your prana. You may become more aware, your senses may be heightened. There's lots of different ways that you can experience divine intelligence. But the biggest piece is that you're going to be able to hear your intuition more clearly. So, as the first step in our Alchemy for the Soul journey, this practice really prepares you to build, like I said, your inner altar. And it's a practice of cultivating, nurturing your creator consciousness. And you begin meeting this divine intelligence yourself within you, face to face. So the light you call into your body becomes a tool for how you can transform your body, how you can remember what you came here to do, and how you can embody sacredness. So whether you're new to energy work or you're deep on your path, this meditation is a return to the temple within you. So let's go ahead and get started. I want you to find a seat, and it's usually general good practice to have your chakra cleansing while you're sitting upright. So you want to be seated. Not all meditations have to be seated, but in this case, this is a really good one to do that. And just finding this moment just for you. You're going to be returning home to your body, rooting down into the earth. So once you find yourself seated with your spine upright, begin to let your breath soften and feel the earth beneath you. And when you're ready, gently close your eyes. And what I want you to do is imagine a ball of light. And this ball can be any color. It can be golden, it can be light blue, purple. I like to refer to it, and I will through this meditation, as a ball of golden light. You want to find it just above your crown, just above the center of your head. And have this ball of light just floating over your crown chakra. And then you're going to bring this ball of light with your mind's eye down into your head, into the center of your head. And as you're breathing in and breathing out, you're going to allow this ball of light to gently expand and fill your entire cranium. And then when you're ready, I want you to move this ball of light to the back side of your body, out through your cranium, your skull, and send it out, maybe about 2 feet off your body. So you're just sending that ball of light behind your head and letting it rest there. You're breathing in and you're breathing out. And then you're going to, with your mind's eye, push the ball of light back through your head, now out through your forehead, 2 feet in front of your forehead. Breathing in and breathing out. And now bringing this ball of light back inside of your skull, really at the center of your brain, this cave of Brahma, this space is between your pituitary and pineal gland. You're just letting that ball of light fill your head. Then you're going to move this ball of light down into your throat. Just have it rest there into the center of your throat. And you're going to breathe. You can even clear your mind and state in your mind, I open to divine guidance. Allowing this ball of light to clear out old thoughts, energetic debris, any overthinking. And now you're going to push this ball of light back behind your throat, out of your body, to the back side of your body, about 2 feet off. And then you're going to breathe in and breathe out. Push the ball of light back through your throat, all the way to the front side of your body. It's 2 feet off of your body. You can just visualize the ball of light there. Breathing in and breathing out and bringing that ball of light back into your throat chakra. And now you're going to be moving this ball of light down through your throat chakra, now dropping it into your heart space, where you can imagine your heart cavity is located in your chest, and allowing that ball of light to rest there, filling it with your breath. And then allowing this ball of light exit out your body through your shoulder blades and the back side of your body. Breathing in and breathing out. And then sweeping this ball of light back through the front side of your body, through your heart's chakra, into the field just ahead of you, 2 feet off your body. Breathing in and breathing out, and sweeping this ball of light back into your heart center, just allowing this area to flow, softening the energy around your lungs, clearing any grief, restoring your ability to give and receive. Even be thinking in your mind, I am open to love. Now you're going to take this ball of light and drop it just down to where your diaphragm, just above your navel, below your heart and your solar plexus, just below your ribs. Breathing in and breathing out, and letting this light now penetrate the backside of your body, radiating out just behind your back, 2 feet off your body. Breathing in and breathing out, and then sweeping this back through your solar plexus, through your diaphragm, to the front side of your body. Bringing it, sweeping it back into your solar plexus. Burning away any doubt, shame, or stagnation. really igniting with a sense of purpose and your personal power. And even thinking to yourself, I stand in my light. And now taking this ball of light and dropping it now just below your navel into your sacral chakra, a few inches below your belly button. Breathing in and breathing out, allowing this light to fill this area of your pelvic bowl, your lower abdomen, and flowing this light through the backside of your sacrum, this bone that's there at the base of your spine, sending it out to the backside of your body, resting and breathing in and breathing out, sweeping it back through the front side of your body now, through the sacral chakra, just 2 feet out in front of your lower pelvis here. And then bringing that ball of light back inside to this pelvic bowl area, allowing it to balance desire, allowing it to strengthen your boundaries. You can even think to yourself, I create with joy, and I honor my needs. And finally now letting this light, this ball of light, dropping it down through the center of your pelvic floor, pushing it out of your body, all the way through your root chakra. So you're sensing it almost grounding this light into the earth. You can send it into the earth. And then breathing in and breathing out, bringing this ball of light back up through your root chakra, through this center of your pelvic floor, and resting now back in the sacral chakra. And you can take that sweep one more time in the downward direction, just pushing that light out through your root chakra. Really anchoring your energy field and thinking to yourself, I am safe. I am rooted. I belong. Now you can bring this ball of light back up through and sweeping it all the way up your central column, your spine, just the midline of your body, going through each chakra, up sending it up to the sacral chakra, through the solar plexus, through your heart, through your throat chakra, your third eye, and all the way out your crown chakra, sending this light back up into the universe, back up into the cosmos. Let these streams of light out through your head move almost like petals of a flower, cleansing, clearing, balancing you. And just taking a deep breath in and out. You can now imagine this column of light that's continually flowing through your midline, connecting with the earth below, connecting with the cosmos above. You are aligning your chakras, while at the same time you're awakening the inner sanctuary. You are becoming the altar. You are the temple. You are the space where heaven and earth meet. And rest here now in this space, your own temple. Breathe. You can rest in this. You can pause this video if you like, or open your eyes when you're ready. And just notice what has shifted for you in your space. What does the energy feel like? Notice the light in your space. And thank you for joining us. Until next time. Namaste.